Hello dear children, how are you? You all are fine? Okay, thank you. Welcome to EC Vidya. So students, today we read A Greedy Fat Old Man part 2 of the story. Today we will learn the concept, fill in the blanks, know the plural form and matching. So let's do question 1. Fill in the blanks with the missing letters to make a meaningful word. In A, H dash A dash Y. In B, R dash P dash I dash D. In C, A dash K dash D. In D, T dash M P dash R. Now in E, C dash U G dash T. So students, let's fill. In A, H dash A dash Y. So first I will put E, then B. The word is heavy, H-E-A-V-Y. Now in B, first I will put E, then L, then E. The word is replied, R-E-P-L-I-E-D. Now in C, A dash K dash D. First I will put S, then E. The word is asked, A-S-K-E-D. Now in D, T dash M-P dash R. First I will put E, then E. The word is temper, T-E-M-P-E-R. Now in E, C dash U G dash T. First I will put A, then H. The word is cut, C-A-U-G-S-T. Note it children. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is about plural form. To understand the plural form, first we have to understand what are nouns. Naming words are called nouns. There are so many nouns. One of them is common noun. Common nouns are changed into plural. What are common nouns? Nouns which are common all over the world, we tell it common nouns. Example, book, pencil, duster. See, this is a pen. It is 1 in number. It is singular. It is singular. See, these are 3. It is plural in number, more than 1. Okay? So let's know. singular and plural. Book, this is singular. In plural, what will be the answer? Books. We add s. Now bus. What will be the plural? Buses. We add yes to make it plural. Some nouns are little different in plural form. These are the irregular plural nouns. Irregular plural nouns are nouns that do not become plural by adding s or yes. So let's do. Woman is in singular. To make it plural, it will be women. Here we do not add s or yes. Okay. Now foot. Plural feet. Now tooth. Plural teeth. Now students, water. It will be same in plural, water. Noted children? Let's do question number 2. Write the plural for of the following words. In A, man. In B, tooth. In C, mug. In D, letter. In E, dog. Man. What is the plural of man? It will be men. What is the plural of tooth? It will be teeth. What is the plural of mug? It will be mugs. What is the plural of litter? Litters. What is the plural of dog? Dogs. Noted children? Now question number 3. match A and B with their meanings. In column A, heavy, asked, replied, temper, caught. In B, said something of great weight. Took hold of. Now said something in response. Angry. So students, let's match. What is the meaning of heavy? Heavy means of great weight. We have to match it. Now asked. What is the meaning of asked? Said something. We have to match it. What is the meaning of replied? Said something in response. We have to match it. Now students, what is the meaning of temper? Angry. We have to match it. Now students, caught. What is the meaning of caught? The last one, took hold of. We have to match it. Noted children? Today this much. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.